Вітаємо вас усіх на нашу спільну таку співанку при Ватрі, при осередку Сум, Гамільтоні, в Канаді. Віримо, що весело провели свята і тепер маєте настрій знову поспівати наші улюблені українські пісні. Welcome everybody to our monthly Ukrainian sing-along. We are coming to you from Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. It's so nice to say that because I know not everybody's in Canada, so I get to give a welcome to all of you who are joining us from abroad. This is the Ukrainian Youth Association in Hamilton. We used to run this in person. We used to gather literally in a circle. The fire was still on a screen because we were indoors, and we would sit around and sing songs that we love to sing. So thank you for joining us now. Maybe it's your first time. Maybe you've been with us since the beginning. Anyway, welcome to all of you. And here we go singing some of these songs. The next one was a new one about a few months ago. But I thought it was appropriate to do it again because after Christmases and Yordan and all the celebrations that happened, somewhere in there, I'm figuring you had some vareniki. And if you had some vareniki, then this song is for you. With your vareniki as this couple, as they teased each other in terms of the vareniki in their household. Do you prefer with potatoes? Potatoes and cheese, potatoes and mushrooms, kapusta? Do you like sweet vareniki? Give a little shout out into the comments and let me know what kind you prefer to eat. We accept requests. I haven't gotten any in a little while. So please, in the comments here, you can send me a direct message later on. Even over the course of the month, you're like, oh, you know what? I haven't heard that song in years. So send me a message. Let me know what you would like to hear. This is one that was a request a little while ago, and this week, I don't know, it was just on my mind. It's such a beautiful melody, and it just kind of had this haunting feeling for me all this week. So this came in as a request, and it's one that I've come to really love. Може, ви колись цю пісню в хорі співали, може, до коловатори колись співали цю пісню. We did a survey several months ago asking what you liked about this little program that we're doing. And some people said, I like the sad songs. Some people said, I like the happy songs. I like the slow ones. I like the fast ones. So we try and put in a mix of them so that hopefully you're finding a few songs that speak to you. And a reminder, and those of you who've been here before know this, you are not here to listen to me sing. This is a sing along. So please, forgive my many mistakes with words and piano, because I'm just in the mood of the song just like you are. So please sing along. This one's also kind of fun to play. Я уявляю в горах, на трембітах грають гуцули, і через верховину чути трембіти. Десь у вас висить якийсь гуцульський костюм до танку. Може, ви колись танцювали таку верховину. Улюблені мої гуцульські пісні. на другий місяць виберу пісні про любов. Мені нагадує ці пісні. Любив, люблю, любити буду. То на другий місяць, як маєте якісь пісні про любов, що хочете дати мені, щоб я на другий місяць поспівала, дайте, прошу, знати. Або, може, якась ваша улюблена пісня, можемо також додати. Але на другий місяць, я думаю, що любовні пісні. But as you know, Ukrainian love songs tend to be quite complicated. So they may not all be as happy as we may want them to be. All right, time to dance. Time to push away the chairs, clear a little bit of space, and put on your dancing shoes, or just sing it out loud. Another song, like the Varenichki one before, тут хлопці і дівчата разом окремо співають. Highlight of 2021 was getting that chord progression right. Sometimes it just happens. This song actually came as a request, and I thought this was the perfect time to sing this one together. I'm sure you'll know it, but only because of the first line. Ой на горі сніг біленький. Я думаю, принайменше в горах сніг біленький, може там, де ви є, сніг є біленький. Тут тепер в нас нема снігу, але зима ще не скінчилася і знаю, що ще і буде сніг. Але решта пісні, я не маю нічого спільного з снігом, але принайменше перша лінія садає нам сніг і нашу зимову пору. like I said, love songs are complicated. Ці наступні пісні знову мені перед очами я бачу наші прекрасні Карпати. І так від одної гори до другої чую гей, гей, гей. І той відгук чуємо в горах.
there are many songs about love. So next month I'll be digging out some of the other ones. If you have a chance to share this video, you can, because the videos stay up on our Facebook page, so you can go back and watch previous episodes, or you can, if you miss when we broadcast, you can watch it anytime, and you can share them and maybe sing along with them over the course of the month as well. I am sure that in your little corner of the world, wherever that is, that the holidays have passed and we've started a new year. And from all of us here at the Ukrainian Youth Association in Hamilton, we wish for all of you that the new year be a very healthy and happy one. Від нас усіх ми бажаємо вам з Новим роком найважніше щастя, здоров'я і всього найкращого вам і вашій родині. Для вашої родини, на нашу українську родину, на нашу сумівську родину, вам усім бажаємо всього найкращого з Новим роком. Ми завжди кінчаємо нашу програму цією піснею, тому що ці слова дуже підходять на цей час. Нивами лісами понад луги світ полетіла пісня у далекий світ. You'd think I'd have it memorized by this point. But it's a connection from our little corner of the world to all of you, that we have a chance to be together and that we are connected no matter where we are by the music that we sing. If you haven't had a chance yet to say where you're joining us from, please add it in there. If you're watching during the week sometime, let me know about suggestions for songs. Let me know where you're joining us from as well. Забігав дорогу, той заграв. think I probably did hear some of you singing at some point. Thank you to the amazing crew that puts this together. Couldn't do it without you. All the helping hands to put this program together. And next month, Pisni pro Ljubav. If you have any suggestions, let us know, and we may be including them into the songs we sing next month. As you can see, we have lots to choose from. Stay well, stay healthy,